Hi, good morning, it's Daryl from Boatshed Riviera. Today we have for you a Beneteau Oceanis 411 in very tidy condition. She doesn't have a generator, but she does have a large capacity battery with an inverter, so AC is available, and she has a solar panel system as well. It's actually stowed away at the moment, so it's not on the boat, but that goes up on those canopies. And I'll resume inside. So we're back on with the Oceanis helm station with all marine instrumentation. There is a radar at the lower nav station, which is Fruno. Let's forward up the starboard side.